Good morning, students. So, today we are going to read the poem The Shed. This poem is written by Frank Fly. The name of the poet is Frank Fly. The shed, I hope everyone knows that shed is a place, where it is a small room where we keep extra material, or it is used to store things, tools, vehicles, or animals are kept under shed. So, and at every home there is a shed. But this poem deals about a shed in poet's garden, which is abundant. Means people do not visit there, the family members don't visit there, extra material is kept there. And in this poem, the poet describes the condition of the shed and how he feels when he looks at that shed. So there is the shed at the bottom of our garden. There is the shed at the bottom of the garden, at the end of the garden, with the spider's web hanging across the door. Now he is telling about the condition of the shed. There are spiders' web hanging on the doors, means it is not cleaned for a long time. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. The hinges are used to join the door with the door frame. So they are made up of irons, and because the shed is not cleaned and it is not visited, very frequently visited place, so the hinges of that place or the doors are rusty, and they make a creaking sound when the door moves in the when wind blows. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen to all those creaking sounds when the wind blows. I'll open that door one day, and the poet feels that one day he will definitely go inside that shed. So this is the picture. The From the picture we can see the condition of the shed, that the family members don't visit this place, and this place is not cleaned very frequently. There is a dusty old window around at the side with three cracked panes of glass, and there is a window in one corner of the shed, and there the glass on that window is broken. I often think there is someone staring at me each time that I pass, and every time when I pass in front of that shed, I feel that there is someone inside that shed, and that person or that thing is staring at me. I'll peep through that window one day. But the poet feels that one day he will gather up all his courage and open the door of the shed to see what is inside the shed. My brother says there is a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he'll jump out and chop off my head. But I'll take a peek one day. Now, my brother, my here is referring to the poet. Poet's brother says that there is a ghost inside the shed. Now, he makes the poet scared of that place, and he wants that the poet should not visit that place. So he says that there is a ghost inside the shed. And where is the ghost hidden? The ghost hides under the rotten floorboards. गले सड़े लकड़ी के जो तख्ते हैं उनके नीचे वो ghost छुपा हुआ है. And if I ever dare to set foot inside here, I is referring to the पोएट, और अगर कभी पोएट ने हिम्मत की उस शेड के अंदर जाने की, he will jump out and chop off my head. He here is referring to the ghost. तो ghost jump out करेगा from under the rotten floorboards and chop off his head. Chop off means cut down his head. But I'll take a peek one day. But the poet still feels that one day he will definitely look inside the shed. Peek means to peep through the hole. I know that there isn't really a ghost, and the poet says that he somewhere knows it, that his brother tells a lie. There is no ghost in the shed. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. His den here is the secret place. The poet says that he knows that his brother tells lies because he wants to keep that shed as his secret place where no one should visit. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web since I don't know when, but I'll go into that shed one day soon. But not just yet. So, in the last paragraph, the poet says that his brother tells a lie because he wants to keep that shed as his secret place. He does not want that anyone should visit that shed. And the poet knows that there is no one who stares at him or who makes the strange noises. And moreover, the spider is not in its web inside the which is inside the shed. Since I don't know when, I'll go into that shed one day. Now the poet wants to go inside the shed, and he says that definitely he would go inside the shed one day, but he is not sure when he would gather up his courage to visit that shed. So in the whole poem, uh, a child's fear and curiosity to know the secret places described. I hope the poem is clear to you.